Hey guys, it's MYKING from the Jjmh crew, and today I'm creating my own challenge called How Much Burps Can You Do in 1 Minute? Got the timer right here, and let's start. "17 seconds. 7 seconds. Okay, I did a lot, but I don't know how much I did.
I counted 55, but you check the video.
Yes. See you later, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm challenging everybody who can do this and who can burp on command. So, it's the MH crew. And I'm MYKING from the Jjmh crew, signing out. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, I created my own challenge. It is how many burps can you do in 1 minute challenge. Show support, and if y'all want to do the challenge, record yourself doing it and tag us, the Jjmh crew. So, and then make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So, till next time, bye.